Prophet ke go kodame ke pastor me use Mishale tang oil ke dedan a jang naath kagwa.
Boniface Mwamposa, the preacher in whose service 20 people, that's right, 20 people lost their lives with scores sustaining injuries.
Prophet ke go kodame ke pastor me use Mishale tank use oil ke dedan a jang naath kagwa. Kalet te chikalet kos kalet chaitan. Dungno chikon kula ling macharan la tok la gujini je oto lat kene dundu jaw kache jan loda nana me chitwa ka Tanzania ka koni ndaro to paiwa chinedi chop ka jandaro chika tesnin chika liu chinewal bakel teka ka board goje oto riunas to ŋuan ngode boko mrebro da unas kalia pastor me jen Shenat jogono bia baby jaka jagwa ka liɛɛth jen che liɛɛth je tiet pin chunetu ŋuan re gwada dana leda ka roi kontin chukana kulongoj ko gorgo joba miracle ki bika gwa ka jwaskin ka duoben chi pressure ki chi pastor ka jogaje ngoja ngoy kaneje shikane di shoko jandaro shikan ga dwanke shukien ne di shoko jandaro chika tesnin riudien tandien ka god nok yenu bianen miracle shanong no to bialing no right kot kan leda ti ka let shaitan misha ka beling biaka kula lingane mo widun bom angubu kula gwa ka ye chuar goro miracle nagano to biariet kot.
The congregation is said to have been instructed to step on the oil on their way out of the 3-day crusade. The scramble for the oil, touted as the solution to all worldly problems, marking the beginning of misery for the 20 families.